Hello, financial fans. I'm back wearing the red shirt. Wall Street's having a down day for sure. I'm going to buy two more stocks. I'm going to buy more of Vale. VALE is the symbol, and I will be buying more of NIO. NIO. Vale is a mining stock. They have a connection with electric vehicles. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't do what I do. Do what you do. I merely am telling you what I am doing, and if you want to follow some of the stocks I happen to purchase or sell or mention, do so. And the reason I'm buying Vale, VALE, apparently someone's buying a lot of it, but I didn't know that when I first got into it. But this being a down day with most stocks having big down days, and I'm talking about the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. Again, let me remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm merely telling you what it is I'm buying and selling, and some of my financial experiences, and you should not even get into the stock market until you've studied it for a year or longer. But that being said, Vale, VALE, is a mining stock, and apparently they're a major supplier of nickel. Nickel is needed by Tesla and other electric vehicle manufacturers, and raw materials are going up in value anyway, and I think VALE is going to have some great income from new sources and old sources in the not too distant future, so I'm going to buy some more. And there is someone who is apparently buying Vale stock 1,000,000 shares at a time. Just check the videos on YouTube and check Vale 1,000,000 shares or whatever, and see if you get the impression that someone thinks Vale is going up. I also am buying NIO, NIO, that's an electric vehicle manufacturer in China. They've been going down in value as a stock for a while. And there are two kinds of investors. There are the patient, sensible investors who study the numbers and decide, well, I'll buy this because of this situation and that situation. Then there's the impulsive, irrational investor who might go to Las Vegas, and with $1,000 he'll start off and he'll let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. And if he's really lucky and his winning streak exceeds 7 or 8 let it rides, he goes home a millionaire with $1,000 starting. Crazy investors, stupid investors, but investors who sometimes do get fortunate, and they end up winning with impossible odds against them. That's what I feel about NIO, NIO. If I look at the numbers, it does not look good, but I think NIO is a stock that could have a very high beta, maybe 2 or 3. If the market goes up, at some point NIO's going to jump into the stratosphere, I think. That's just my opinion. That's an opinion. It's not a sensible decision that I've arrived at from crunching numbers. Anyway, I'll be buying more NIO and more VALE today. And side note, Tennessee, I stopped to get some gas this morning, gasoline for the car, and they didn't have any. And so that pipeline situation, I would guess by tomorrow the pipeline situation is going to be resolved, and something will happen. I won't dare predict what, but I have an idea of what might happen. And so I think some of the pressure will be off the market by the weekend, and maybe next week could be good, maybe not. We shall see. But I do thank you for watching.